Hi, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
I am thrilled to take you on a walking tour of Praia do Guincho in Portugal. Before we start, I would appreciate it if you could hit that like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing travel content. Located on the coast of Portugal, Praia do Guincho is a stunning beach known for its beautiful golden sands, the clear blue waters of the Atlantic Ocean, and impressive waves that are perfect for surfing.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
Join me as we take a leisurely stroll through this picturesque location and experience the beauty of Praia do Guincho. Our first stop on this tour is the Praia do Guincho beach itself. This beach is known for its rugged beauty, making it a popular spot for surfers, windsurfers, and kiteboarders. The waves are particularly high here, and it's fascinating to watch the surfers as they ride them with skill and grace. As we continue our walk, we'll encounter some of the natural beauty that surrounds Praia do Guincho. The beach is situated in the midst of the Centric Cascais Natural Park, so we'll come across stunning cliffs, unique rock formations, and a variety of plant and animal life along the way. Next, we'll visit the Fortaleza do Guincho. This 17th century fortification is perched on a cliff above the beach and offers breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean. It is now a luxury hotel, so if you have the chance, I would recommend stopping in for a drink or a bite to eat while taking in the stunning views. As we come to the end of our tour, I hope you've enjoyed exploring Praia do Guincho with me.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.